How many times can you subtract 10 from 100? Once. The second time you would be subtracting 10 from 90. You're welcome.
Gonna be so exciting! You can do it, Dad. You can make it. You can make it. Do it. Just run. Just run. Quick.
So since this video is sponsored by Ariat, we wanted to give you a closer look at the boots. We didn't show you the ones that I got from Ariat. These ones here are actually, they're called Vent Tech. So they're breathable. So they're really cool in the summer, which is awesome. And that's why I got them, because my feet get hot in other work boots. And they're really light, composite toe, leather. They're almost like wearing sneakers, honestly. Yeah. But they're pretty awesome. I love them. You can check out all the specs and all that stuff. Any questions you have about them in a link below. You can also purchase them from that link too. But I just wanted to mention that I like them because they're lightweight and they're breathable. Like the breathables,
so important.
That's big time important.
Yeah.
And she got those ones.
And these are mine. You've probably seen in previous videos because I'm obsessed with them and I wear them all the time. Like he said, they're super lightweight. They're not a heavy shoe to be walking in, a heavy boot to be walking in. I like them because they go with pretty much anything that I'm wearing. They're composite toe, so they're awesome for working, and they're waterproof. So if I'm out in the rain, or sometimes when the yard's muddy, I mean, I don't have to worry about being out with them, or if I'm using the hose or whatever, it doesn't matter. They're pretty awesome boots, and I'm happy with them.
Yeah, so you can check out all of our Mapleberry Farm favorites, link below. You can get a 10% discount on your first order if you're interested in that.
They have tons of good products.
And then you can just browse through their catalog on ariat.com. So
yeah.
Go check it out. They're good company.
Yeah, real good. We're real happy with the stuff so far.
We've turned down a bunch of companies and didn't turn them down. So
no.
There you go.
Hot dog break. So we've had a few people commenting lately and asking us if we had a Patreon account. We had deactivated it or deleted it a few months ago, but because we keep getting the request for it, we've reactivated it. So the link is in the description below for anyone who wanted to support the channel through there. There's once in a while there'll be a little extra content and we'll be on there to chat with people. But for the most part, it's just to support the channel for anyone who had asked. So if you want, check out the link in the description below.
Your eyes closed?
Yeah, the smoke's coming in though.
No. Don't always eat hot dogs, but when I do, they are darn good.
Nice looking wiener.
So good. Look at a nice looking wiener right there. All beef wiener. I bet you there's some people out there dying to have my all beef wiener.
I'm dying to try it.
All right, coming right up.
That's a darn good wiener right there.
Well, we got quite a bit done today.
Yeah, we're happy with getting that gable all done and how it looks. So
Yeah.
that's awesome. We
Quite
love
a few
it.
cuts and stuff up there, so it took a little bit.
Yeah.
Today was good weather. It rained a bit, so we stopped for a little bit when it rained, just covered stuff up. But it was cool.
Yeah.
Not boiling.
It said no rain at all today. So we had to run and grab a tarp real quick because it just like started really raining fast out of nowhere.
But it was great to work in anyway.
Yeah.
And there's no fire ban now, so we were able to have a little fire going. We get a fire going. The bugs ain't too bad now that we cleared it off, like cleared more land. We get a little smoke rolling, and it just keeps them basically non-existent.
Yeah.
Like I wasn't swatting any bugs today.
Yeah. No, it was a good day. Real
So,
good day for working.
You can see along the bottom there, we're probably gonna chalk a line and cut those bottom boards off. We're gonna do it just when we're done though, right?
Yeah.
We're just gonna keep going with it and do all the finished stuff after. And a few people asked about that horizontal board where it starts. That there's sealant across there, so that's caulked. It's gonna be caulked.
Nothing.
It's gonna be sealant.
Yeah.
Gone there.
Yeah.
We're gonna use sealant.
Yeah.
But man, it's looking good.
Yeah, we're real happy with. Now we're tired. What time is it anyway? I don't even know. Maybe like 7?
10 to 8.
10 to 8. So we got to go in.
Yeah.
Get little Missy ready for bed.
So, see you later.
See ya.